Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Locket Widget app without phone number. So first of all, what you need to do guys is go to of course Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. Then you can set up the widget, which we have a separate video on our YouTube channel for that, so you can go and check it out there, how you can actually go and set it up. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Locket Widget app without phone number. So basically, unfortunately, you cannot do it at the moment. So currently you can't use the Locket Widget app without a phone number. To create a new account, a valid phone number is required for verification and account creation. If you don't want to use your own number, there is an official option to sign up with an email address. Community discussions also confirm that users looking for an email-only sign-up have not found a supported method. So if your problem is that you aren't receiving the verification code, try to double check that your phone number is of course valid. Ensure you have a stable cellular connection. Restart your app or iPhone and wait a few minutes and request a new verification code, as SMS delivery can sometimes be delayed. So these are your options. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.